Now, the driver accused of a deadly bus crash in Stafford County, indicted on several charges, with several people remain hospitalized days after the crash. 5 people died in the crash on Friday, a family of 4 and a 25-year-old woman, all from Massachusetts. And dozens more were injured and taken to hospitals. Now, we're also learning more about the bus driver facing manslaughter charges in the case and his previous alleged driving record. DC News Now's Randy Bass at Mary Washington Hospital in Fredericksburg with the latest. Randy, good afternoon.
Yes, we just learned the driver in this case, Jing Dong, now facing 5 involuntary manslaughter charges after he was indicted by a Stafford County grand jury earlier today. We just learned these new details from the Stafford County Commonwealth's Attorney's Office, saying that these additional charges were brought before the grand jury today. Over the weekend, he was originally charged with just 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter, now charged with 5 counts, 1 for each death in this fiery, deadly bus crash that happened overnight Friday morning in Stafford County. We're told that the circuit court issued a bench warrant for Mr. Dong. Now, he's still in the hospital as we understand it, but still in the custody of authorities from the Rappahannock Regional Jail. We understand that he is expected to have a court appearance via video once he is released from the hospital and transported to the jail. We're awaiting these details, but as we learn more about these new charges that he's facing, which also include a charge of reckless driving, a misdemeanor charge of reckless driving, we also learned today that this driver was supposed to be in court in Maryland tomorrow in Annapolis for a previous ticket he received back in March. Happened around 1:30 in the morning on a March morning, where he was allegedly driving 72 miles an hour in a 50-mile-per-hour zone, and he was supposed to be in court for that ticket tomorrow. But of course, we know he's probably not going to make that court appearance, as he is now facing much more serious charges here, and he's still in the hospital. But that doesn't mean that the investigation stops. Since he's been indicted and charged on these very serious involuntary manslaughter charges, the investigation continues with the NTSB and Virginia State Police. The NTSB says it's looking into whether the driver was proficient in speaking English. Take a listen.
We are still assessing the driver's language proficiency, and we don't have enough information at this point to have drawn any conclusions there. That's something we're looking at, but we've not drawn a conclusion independently as a result of our investigation.
Again, not clear when Jing Dong may have his first court appearance here in this area, but he will have that court appearance once he is released from the hospital and taken to the jail. The story is still developing. We'll bring you new details as we learn them. In Fredericksburg, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.